In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a disqualification page in SurveyMonkey. In order to do that, you first need to head over to surveymonkey.com, which is their website. Proceed to click onto this Get Started Free in order to create an account, or you can also click on the Designer Free option. Now, once you're done with this, you can proceed to log in if you already have an account like I do. Let's click onto this right here, and this is what my homepage looks like. So for this case, you can just open right here the actual option or the actual survey that you wish to edit. I'll edit in here this one. Now I have in here this, and you just need to make sure to add a multiple choice question. I have in here this, we just need to add a logic for this case. So let's click on this logic, and after that, let's add in here a skip to option. So they actually choose right here this fully from the workplace. Let's add in here this disqualification page. So do take note the disqualification page is only allowed under the upgraded plan, so make sure that you already know that as well. So on the disqualification page, you can find that in there as well if you actually logged in or upgraded to the actual account. Now from there, just proceed to click on save, and then that logic will be applied into this particular question, wherein some people will be disqualified if they actually choose any of this right here. So since this is actually just a remote work employee check-in survey, those that work on the office or workplace are disqualified for this. So that's the kind of logic that we're running into. So you can just choose that and then make a disqualification page based on this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need. Thank you so much for watching.